Well, today's a day to test my progress. Okay, I'm 73 years old. I went vegan 15 years ago, and it's helped me so much that I want to let others know how advantageous it is. Because if I hadn't gone vegan 15 years ago, I don't think I'd still be as active as I am with teaching tennis and everything else that's going on in my life. So why does vegan help so much? Because you have more energy to do the work. You've got more energy to work out, play tennis, or whatever your sport is. Why is that the case? You're expending less energy on digestion. Digestion is a huge sapper of our energy. It takes a lot of energy to digest the food we eat. But when we're on a vegan diet, it takes less energy because these foods are easier to digest. If we're on a lot of junk food, processed foods, and meats, and eggs, and cheese, our bodies are working overtime, and we don't have the energy to work out. So, keeping your muscle mass is important if you want to live a long time. If you want to have longevity, you've got to keep the muscles working. You've got to get that muscle tone. So a while ago, I said, hey, I'm going to try and do more push-ups. So today's a day of progress. Now, last time I did them, I did 26. So I hope I can crank out more than that. I've been doing my push-ups, but I do other things as well. So we'll just see how the overall strength is doing. And here's the rule on this. When I do this, you can stay in a plank position for, let's say, no longer than 5 seconds. And then you have to do more push-ups. So let's see what I can crank out here. Well, at least I did a little more, 5 more, cranked out 31. So I gotta keep going. That was only with maybe 1 or 2 months of extra work. So, I'm gonna keep going. See if I can bump it up to 35 next time, 40, and just keep going. Why not? I gotta maintain if I want that longevity. So please, give me a like, give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel. Post any questions or comments. I really appreciate your comments. Thanks so much, and fruit up, baby.